Let's talk about house hacking. So first, what is house hacking? It's basically buying a multi-unit property, living in one unit, renting out the rest, and using the rent collected from your tenants to pay the mortgage. Let's look at some benefits of house hacking. First, you're generating rental income, which can reduce your personal housing costs, but also help you pay off the mortgage quicker and build equity quicker. There are tax advantages. House hackers can benefit from tax deductions like mortgage interest, property taxes, and operating costs. Of course, always consult your tax professional. If investing is your goal, then owning a multi-unit property adds to your investing portfolio, reducing risk. You're building property management skills. And because you're potentially lowering your personal housing costs, you can then use that money to build up your savings and your investments. If you've been thinking about house hacking your way to building wealth, now is the time to do it. Starting November 18th, you'll be able to buy a multi-unit property that you also live in for 5% down. That's huge. So call your Homespire loan officer today.